Good morning, fifth grade. It is the last day of school. You made it, you survived. Thank you to those of you, all of you that worked so hard. Guys, I know this was a strange year. I know that it did not end the way that we thought that it would, but I'm really proud of every single one of you and the hard work that you've put in to your fifth grade year. You will never forget it. Today is going to be our last day. We're going to have one last hangout. There will not be anything in the afternoon. We want to all be together, so we're gonna do one hangout at 10 o'clock. Nothing at 9. We won't have my normal hangout at 9. We will just have one combined hangout at 10 o'clock. Here is your link. It will be active as soon as we're in it, so go ahead and hop on at 10 or just a few minutes before. And that's it. I don't have anything else to tell you. Thank you for working hard. I hope you guys have an awesome summer, but I will see you at 10 o'clock. No work today, just fun. So we'll see you in a little bit.